The most common question that people have in their minds that I get asked is, why do you want to introduce automation into your business? Well, my answer is very simple. You want to make something more valuable. It's not that you just want to save money, or you want to do something that's less annoying, or you want to do things faster. It's that you want to make something that has value. It's very important to consider the different types of things that your organization does. These fall into about 5 categories. The primary one that people worry about is sales. You want to automate contacting people to some degree. You want it to be an intelligent automation. So we've written software that does that, but the actual mindset that you need when you're actually approaching people and you want them to be interested in what you have to offer is quite specific. We build in templates that follow the pattern. We are trying them, we're testing them, we're improving them all the time. In software, however, you're asking AI to summarize what it can correlate, what it can relate to your request, which makes your request very important. When AI starts creating code for you, it better have a plan that limits what it does. In a recent task, I asked AI to make some email templates and management, and what it did was it made an email sort of manager and the templates, and then when testing the code and actually learning what it did, I discovered that the templates did everything, and that the what they call email deals or packages had no correlation to anything. They would be useful to use, but they're not necessary. In fact, they don't seem to actually have any particular idea going on apart from the fact that the AI correlated what I asked for with a pattern that it has observed in code. Because it can recognize what I'm asking for is a set of things, it knows that that set of things have to be placed in the software. It may have been keywords or phrases or a certain tone or combination of words that triggered it to make something that wasn't actually part of what it was doing. And this raises an important question. When you're vibe coding, when you're writing software using AI to actually execute the writing of it for you, how do you know it's doing what you asked and not something that's similar to what you asked, or is just a sensible way of doing things that people have done before? Well, it's going to be. There is nothing original about AI coding. To make your software unique and original, to have the best ideas, you start with a very clear picture or a flash of inspiration that says, I think if we do this, it will be successful for our sales, it will be successful for our production, it will help our staff, it will help with management, and it will help with automation in general. Those might be the 5 things that are important to you. What's important to your business is up to you, and what emphasis you place on these things is important. The core things that your business does, being done by humans currently, continue to do that until you have managed to automate 2 or 3 functions that are new and that have no risk associated to them. The reason why you need to do that is you need to keep your staff on side. You need to facilitate them to produce more. You need to give them the tools that makes them more effective. You're not going to do that by automating what they already do. You're going to do that by making things that are easy for them to do, that they're happy with, and then start automating some of the things that they find annoying and get buy-in from your staff. The organization is comprised of people who care about your end goal. AI does not care about your end goal. The problem with over-automating is that you're putting yourself in the hands of a decision tree that's managed in software. This may not be what you want it to be. So be responsible for what you make, be conscious of what you make a plan, understand it, write tests, and proceed with care. Good luck.